Unit 6, Lessons 3 to 4. Number 6. It's number 6. Number 7. It's number 7. Line. It's a line. Shapes. These are shapes. Circle. It's a circle. Triangle. It's a triangle. Rectangle. It's a rectangle. Square. It's a square. Oval. Diamond. Heart. It's a star. Triangles. How many shapes are there? There are 6 hearts. How many shapes are there? There are 7 diamonds. How many shapes are there? There are 7 ovals. How many shapes are there? There are 7 squares. How many shapes are there? There are 6 rectangles. How many shapes are there? There are 6 circles. Motorbike. It's a motorbike. Train. It's a train. Ears. Hear. My ears can hear. We use our ears to hear. Baby cat. It's a baby cat. Cow. It's a baby cow. Horse. It's a baby horse. Animal sounds. Buzz. Meow. Quack. Chirp. Hiss. Bark. Cluck. Croak. Roar. Oink. What can you hear? You say, I can hear a.